How to run custom TikTok ads using your Nigerian TikTok account.
Click on the menu of Select TikTok Studio, allow it to load, then go down, select Promote, allow it to load. Now select your ad goal. In my case, I want to select Sell, then click on Edit to put the external link, maybe a website you want to send people to. Get the website link, replace it with the one there, save at the end. Now select your call to action, what you want people to do after seeing your ad. Next is to customize your ad, custom. Now select how it applies. Okay, you can choose female or male or both. Then the age range. After doing that, you now come to interest. Select the interest that appeals to your audience. By the time you are done, you hit save. Okay, just check well to be sure you've selected what you want. Okay, so once you are done, hit save. All right, the next thing is to recharge your account. Okay, to buy your coin that you will use to run the ad. So click on recharge. You might as well adjust the day, how many days you want the ad to run, your budget, select it there, maybe select 2 days or more. Okay, so when you are done, you will need to now top your credit. You need to have connected your card, your bank card to your TikTok or any other way you normally pay. Connect it to your TikTok account. Mine is my bank card. Then select coin that covers the ad budget. Here is 122. Okay, so I select a coin that covers the ad budget and hit continue. Then it comes up, my details will come up. I'll now have to pay. After payment is confirmed, payment has been confirmed. So once that is done, give it a time, it will load to bring you to the next page. Just a moment. Now you need to click on start. Once you click on start, it takes you to the next page saying paying now. You bought the coin, but it's not paying for the ad with the coin. Okay, once you click start, it pays from what you've loaded. So it's successful in this case. So let's see what next. Just a moment. All right, so it said thanks for your submission. So we've submitted an ad, it will be under review. Okay, now they're asking me a few questions because this was my first attempt to run ad. Okay, asking me why I wanted to run the ad and all of those. Just make a selection. This doesn't really matter. Just choose whatever option you find best and hit submit. Okay, so now here says what best describes your goal and all those things. I want to make sales simple. This one is just for curiosity. I wanted to know how TikTok ad runs. Here is I want to sell products. Simple. So that's how to run TikTok ad from Nigeria, but you need to have up to 1,000 followers.